What's going on, people? This is Eel Sahil. I'm back with a new video, and today I'll show you how to successfully install Sublime Text 3 on your device. So just open a browser and type Sublime Text 3 and click enter. Click on this first link. I'll attach a link to this page in my description so you can directly access this page. Next, click Windows 64-bit if you're using a 64-bit Windows machine. If it's not a 64-bit, then click on this second option. I'll go with this one. Now wait for this download to complete. Okay, so let's open this. Check this if you want. It's not necessary. And click install. That's it. And now click finish. So now let's search for Sublime. Okay, so let's try creating a new file and let's see whether it's working or no. Now let's run a code. So in order to do that, let's save this file on our desktop and name it, let's say, index, and save this. So here it is, we have our file. So as we can see, we got our output. That means it's working perfectly. So that's it. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.